Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by deciding who the narrator thinks they are and what they can't or won't know. That governs every lie. Once done, pick a truth the reader trusts, then plan to undercut it. Make sure to place concrete, believable details early. Those will be your pivot points. You will also set sensory limits and biases now so the narrator's gaps feel plausible. Begin with an active scene that demonstrates competence, then note a subtle hesitation that hints at instability. Now expand the middle by compounding small inconsistencies. You want pattern, not random mistakes. Once established, alternate confident assertions with sensory blanks or emotional evasions so readers infer unreliability. Make sure to revise scenes so contradictions feel like character, not error. Show how memory, motive, and trauma warp perception. Use other characters' reactions sparingly to signal disparity, and maintain a believable internal logic. Finish by deciding whether to expose the unreliability outright or to leave it ambiguous. Both choices have weight. Once done, tighten voice so patterns of omission and rationalization read clearly. You want readers to say, "I don't trust this narrator, but I see why." Make sure to plant or highlight one verifiable fact as anchor. If feedback says readers feel cheated, add foreshadowing or small corroborating clues earlier to make the twist earned rather than arbitrary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.